Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the one required component, an active PlayStation Plus subscription with cloud saves. Once done, sign in to the same PSN account on your Ps5 and make sure your internet is stable. Now navigate to Settings, open Save Data and Game/App Settings, and choose Console Storage. Select the game saves you want uploaded. Press Upload to Online Storage. This first step gets your local saves queued to Sony's cloud and prevents accidental loss if you replace or factory reset the console. Next, manage the detailed upload process so you don't overwrite progress. You can select individual save files or use Select All to upload in bulk. Review timestamps before you confirm. Once chosen, press Upload and watch the progress indicator. Large files may take longer. To simplify future syncs, enable auto-upload in the same menu. This makes the Ps5 push saves whenever it's online and you're signed in. Make sure to compare save timestamps so you keep the latest version rather than replacing it unintentionally. Finish by restoring and verifying your cloud saves on any Ps5 using the same PSN account. Go to Save Data Online Storage, pick Files, and download to Console Storage. Then launch the game to confirm progress. If an upload or download fails, check PSN service status, confirm you have enough cloud quota, and test your internet latency. These are common causes. As a final safety measure, keep one local backup on a USB drive so you can recover if cloud sync conflicts or outages occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.